What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at the shop. It looks like I'm the only one here right now, but I'm not alone. I'm not alone. I brought my friend with me. He's a little more eager to go for a walk. So I was thinking the other day, you know what? I've already scuffed up all of my cars coming up this driveway if I don't go like super 45-degree angle. And I'm looking at my neighbor's lot and it's so nicely paved. So I'm thinking we might even ask them to see if we can get hooked up with their company, the same ones who did this. But we gotta figure something out for ours because look at this. Thank you, sir. Just us. Ooh, this one's open. Nice. Guys, I want to show you what we have in here, but the lights are on the other side. Look. Woo! Why is this here? Damn, I almost ran into the pole. Light. Voila! Yeah. You like the Lotus? You know what's funny? Big part of the reason why I choose some of my cars is partly because of him. It really depends if this guy can ride in it. The things we do for our puppies. I know, Gohan. You want oinky? Oinky? Love these things. Yeah. What the? Hi, Go Jen. What's up, homie? Should we take over the payments for the Lotus? Okay, a lot of you guys are probably wondering, just because I've been super vague about it on my stories, why is the Lotus even here? First off, it's not mine, but our friend Tejo actually picked it up. He's the same one that owns the LC500 and the Hummer H1. And actually, he's owned a whole bunch of other cool cars in the past. But I think one of the main reasons why he brought this in just so happens that the Lotus is actually one of his dream cars to own as well. And for the past few weeks, we've just kind of been playing around with the idea of maybe possibly bringing one into the shop. I just didn't think it'd be this soon. The person that he picked the Lotus up off of, the seller's kids are actually supporters of the channel. And they were here during our soft opening for the Kmart gallery. And yeah, I didn't know. Their dad was selling a Lotus Elise. Again, we were just toying with the idea, okay? Just entertaining some of the listings we found on the marketplace. And most of the Exiges and Elises were actually in Toronto or in Ontario. So when this popped up on the marketplace, I think Tejo just jumped on the opportunity, picked it up, and now we're here. But what's cool is now I actually have the option to take over the payments for this thing. It's just, do I want to? Do I really want to put myself in that position? At the end of the day, honestly, it is a dream car of mine, but I just don't feel like I deserve it at this stage yet, okay? I have way too many other projects, ongoing, works in progress. And once those are finished, I can get rid of some of my fleet and then quite possibly go for this. But right now, I'm holding myself off. Maybe you guys can help me decide. Should I take over the payments on this Lotus and just cross it off the bucket list? Say, we have a Lotus in our hands now. I mean, it's so close. I don't know, Tejo, oh man. This kid's literally dangling the keys in front of my face. Anyways, it would be cool to have a Lotus, but we'll see, we'll see. We're here for this, the E36, and as you saw, the past few days, we've just been taking care of the bodywork, all the body damage, getting rid of as much of the rust as we could, and today, we're ready for wrap. Welding wasn't necessary in the back, but we filled it in and it's really clean now. And then on this side, I filled in that really gross rusted hole area underneath the gas lid. Mr. Larry's here now. Appreciate you. Thanks, man. Because I trust his wrapping skills as opposed to mine, okay? But also, everyone else considers Sunday their day off. But here at the Kmart gallery, there are no days off. Turn around, man. This guy really wants to go for a ride in the Lotus. He's just chilling there. Gotta chill, okay? What was this technique called again? Like glazing or something?
Just glassing.
Glassing, that's it. Yeah. I learned about that.
It's not like perfect, but it'll be enough to get started.
Yeah, it's basically where you're trying to get rid of as much of the tension as you can without even using any heat.
And this hood's like pretty flat. So
Yeah.
if it was like a more curved hood, then you gotta be careful of like which dip you get into. But
Maybe I can call you friend or lover. Maybe we can find a way to merge them. Maybe I can call you friend or lover. Maybe we can find a way to
Status update. Damn, Larry did such a good job. Did each individual vent hole here. Insanely thorough. Sweet, man. Looking good. Yeah, pretty much. Dope. Want to go jam? We also got one of the doors wrapped. No, go on. He thinks we're going in. No, wrong. There's no room for you. Oh, sorry, homie. And as for the side fender parts, they are the wide body pieces. So we just took those off. Probably wrap them individually. What? Speak. What would you like? Speak.
did it! Yeah.
Put the vents back in, the quick releases for the hood. She is looking so clean. Have you guys ever seen a Kelly Green E36? I haven't, unless you Google it, I guess. But yeah, this is gonna be one of a kind for sure. Starting to make her look pretty again. Go on! What the heck, dudes? Oh my god! Oh, I thought he ate it. Has a sweet tooth for birds. We're going home soon. All right, guys, Larry just left, so now we are alone. No, we're not alone. We got this guy. But this guy's getting antsy, so I think I'm just gonna go home, call it a night here. Both doors completed. Right, go hounds? Yo, Larry makes light work of rapping. He learned a lot from Cooper. And I mean, I guess I could have texted Cooper too. These guys have rapped more cars than I have, so they definitely know what they're doing at this point, more than I know. It's getting there, guys. See you guys back here tomorrow.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised